And hold for bug. Hit it. Go. Bug.
Action first, okay? So, VAROOMA, remember this MMAX Pontiac GTO 1969 American Graffiti Edition? It says it right there on the fender. That I replaced the wheels with the Chevy Impala Hot Wheel. Remember that?
Yeah, I remember.
I told you that I made this into a race car by adding some solder in the back as roll cage and some solder in the front.
Yeah.
And do you remember that the other car in the series, which is a 1970 Chevette that somebody decorated, has these nice MMAX tires on it that still has the tread? Look at the tread, if you can see it. Right there, right? Oh, that's so cool. These rubber tires. Well, this car still is capable of rolling well.
Yeah, I remember.
Are an example of the axles that I took out of the GTO and also the VEGA. Do you remember the VEGA?
Yeah, that white one. That one was cool.
Well, let me show you that very soon. See, they're not very good. Cannot fix them. And also, the wheels are kind of fixed on the axle, so it doesn't roll very good. So there you go.
Okay, well, show me the Vega.
I was hoping you'd never. I was hoping you'd say that. If I had to work with, I decided to dismantle this Screamliner Hot Wheels car for its wheels.
Yeah? Why did you do that?
Well, I did that because these axles fit the car that I'm trying to rebuild.
Oh, okay. It's a pretty cool one. Let me see that a little closer.
Well, look. Check this out. This particular model protects the wheels very nicely. It has a little cage there. See these little cages here? Protect the wheels. It's really nice. It's got some red that I need for other models too. So this is kind of a parts car now.
Uh-huh.
VAROOMA.
Okay, action. But do the Vega.
Okay, I'm getting to it. Okay, so here we go. So I took the Vega apart, which was easy because it came with a screw. The GTO did not come with a screw for some reason, so I had to drill it apart. However, this Vega came with a screw, so I unscrewed it, and I noticed that the red windows that I thought were tinted were actually tinted by somebody on the outside, but they look pretty good from the outside, so I'm going to keep them like that. They fooled me. So that's really nice. And then I noticed that the grooves for the wheels weren't that good, so I taped the axles down. Why not?
Okay. Show me what else.
Well, also, the grooves to hold the axles weren't very good either. You see? They're kind of elementary. So I also had to put like a damper on there to help push down the axles to make it run straight. And then on the inside, I did not paint it, but I went ahead and I just put a big old layer of solder in there for weight. kept the interior all black just for fun because you can see in the windows anyway. And now we're going to put it together and I'll show it to you coming down the ramp.
Alright, this is gonna be cool. Alright. This is VAROOMA Blue. We're getting ready to throw down those cars. It's gonna be fun. Alright. Go ahead. Start with the GTO. Wow, that thing went crazy. Okay, go with the little Chevette now. Nice. Good landing. Alright, go with the VEGA.
Oh yeah, I can't wait to see this guy. Beautiful. Try it again.
Yeah, let's watch that. Come on.
Yeah, that thing's magnificent. Let's look at it up close. 1876 MMAX wheel swap with a Hot Wheels VEGA. All weighted and ready to go and race. Red tinted wheels, red tinted windows and wheels. Somebody also made purple grill on this. For some reason, the left headlight's all messed up, which seems to be a tradition here.
Yeah, tell me about it.
And, of course, the back, which was customized by a previous owner. But look at those lights and wheels. And that's what you're going to see if you try to come across this VEGA on the freeway. Goodbye. Goodbye.
You're supposed to say cut.
Cut.
Send the surprise truck.
What? A surprise truck? What's that, VAROOMA?
You wait and see. Look at this.
Action.
Okay. Well, look at this. First of all, I found this old truck at John John's junkyard here, and I guess kind of mine too. And I decided to build it.
Wait a second, VAROOMA. Did John say you could?
Not exactly.
Well, okay, go ahead, keep telling me.
So, first of all, I changed the wheels out because there was crappy tires. And then I put it with these little fatties here, okay, which is an off-brand, made in China. And then, see there, I nail polished some weight, which is some solder, and I painted it all up. And then on the inside of this, since there's blacked out windows, there's no interior, I went ahead and I nail polished a whole bunch of other weight inside this car. And then, here, let's put it together and I'll show you what it looks like. It's really cool. It's my first build.
Congratulations, VAROOMA. How's it feel?
Oh man, it feels fantastic.
Action.
Okay, so my first build. Here's what I did. I took this old rusted out truck. I guess it rusted because the old camper on top collected a lot of rainwater and it rusted the back, but the frame was still good. And it didn't rust the tail lights or the tail, and it rusted out this part. Touch that button. Touch that button.
Action.
Oh man. Okay. So I took it apart. I put it together. I made my first race car. I wanted to send it away.
Okay, so what kind of... It looks like an International Harvester from the front, but the side looks like a F-450. What kind of truck is it?
Well, I don't know. Let's see. I didn't check.
Oh my goodness. You can't send this away.
Why not? It's beautiful.
It's a made in China.
What?
It's a made in China. Most racetracks don't sanction made in China trucks.
Makes me a little angry. You know what I mean? Makes me a little angry. You know what I mean? Makes me a little angry. You know what I mean?
Calm down, Varuma. It's a perfectly legitimate racetrack, and when you make that racetrack, you can drive it down. You can drive it down the racetrack. Okay, look at that thing. It's beautiful. It's definitely a sleeper.
VAROOMA Blue, another episode of Leftovers Junkyard's video diary with VAROOMA Blue. Got to do something about the name. I know you all wrote about it. Now we're going to have my sibling, Rebel, who's going to drive my truck 3 times down the track as a test drive. Ain't that right?
Yeah.
Person, a few words. Alright. I'm going to just kind of lay down here and let the flying robot. Okay, hit it.
Okay.
Beautiful. Okay, hit it again.
Okay.
Yeah. It's doing pretty good. Okay, hit it again.
Okay.
Beautiful, Rebel. Beautiful. You are fantastic.
Yeah. Ow.
Promotion. That's my truck on top of the pigeon poo radio. And I don't care, I like it. I think it's fun. And I'm glad you guys are sticking with me. I'm gonna make some more, but that's my first truck and I'm determined to race it. I'll see y'all later. Makes me a little angry. You know what I mean?